Hey everybody, say I got an old 15-year-old MTD snowblower, and I was having problems with it running properly. It was throttling up and throttling down, just up and down, up and down, up and down. Wasn't blowing snow very good, hard to start, everything. So I see the guy, and he said that I should check my carburetor jet. This is the primary fuel control valve. Anyway, take that nut off, and as you can see, the bowl is there. That'll come off too. Take the bowl off, unscrew this nut out of there, and then figure out where the setting is on your set screw, and then take that screw out. Clean this up real good. There's little holes in the top of this bolt here on the upper half. You got to clean them holes out, and I put some lacquer thinner in a small bowl, rinsed it out real good, and put everything, I don't know if you can see it there, put everything back together, fired it up. I'd do some small adjustments on that valve as well as my carburetor set screw, but the thing's running like a champ now. So if you got one of these and it's hard starting, or if it's fluctuating and running up and down and you have to choke it to get it to run smoother, you might want to try that. Just pull that little nut out of there, pull the screw out, clean it, put it back together, give it a try. Not going to say it's it's not a for sure fix, but it sure did fix mine. It was cheap, it was free. So anyway, Briggs & Stratton engine with the set screw in the bolt. Tecumseh don't have the set screw in the bolt. Just take the bolt out, clean the venturi passages on the top side of the bolt, and put it back in. All right, later.